Welcome to our DXB Academy. My name is Michael, and in this video I want to show you how to set multiple profit targets, TP1, TP2, TP3, as much as you want to set while trading on futures. Okay, I will do it in two categories. First category is when you have a running trade, and second category is when you want to open a pending order. That's you want to use limit sell or limit buy. All right, let's do for the category one. Let's say I just open I just open 0.1 long. Okay, just open long with 0.01 52x leverage, and I'm having $15 USDT here, right? So I'll just put long. Okay, so let's assume I have a stop loss of, I'll put a stop loss here. Let me see the stop loss. I'll just put an arbitrary stop loss. Let's say I have 23,000 of, or let me say 22,900 as my stop loss. Okay, this is a very wrong way to trade. Anyways, you have to analyze first and have your take profit, entry target, everything before you start. Okay, I'm just citing an example. All right, now I already set my stop loss. Okay, now for me to set my multiple profit targets, I will now click on this, the stop target and profit again. And then I will choose this. Now I want to choose position TP/SL. I will use this, and I will put I have 0.01 running. If I want to put two take profits, let's say I want to open 0.005, or you can just tap on 50%. So you want to close 50% at TP1 and the remaining 50% at TP2. Okay, so I can put 50% is showing 0.001005, which is 50% of my total position amount, which is 0.010. Okay, so I'll just put the price. Let's say I want to take my first take profit at 23,500. Okay, so that's it. It's showing that point I'll be taking my profit to be 2.36 USDT. I'll just tap on confirm. Okay, so I'll tap on it again. And set for the remaining 50%. I'll tap on 50%. Let's say I want to take the remaining 50% at 24,000. Okay, so I'll just tap on okay, on confirm. So you see I have the open orders here. I have three orders. This stop loss order for both my buy and my sell. Sorry, for the entire position size. That's what this stop loss is going to affect. So immediately the stop loss is going to close the old position, and I will not be in any position at all again. Okay, but this is the first take profit. If this should hit, it's going to close 0.005 BTC, which is half of my entire position. So it's going to close half for me, and the remaining half will be running. So if TP2 should hit, the second half also will be close in profit. So this is how to set multiple profit targets on a pending order. Okay, sorry, in a running order. When you have an order that is running like this, that's how to do it. Now how do you do it when you have, let me close this now. For the second category, you want to set multiple targets when you have a pending order. Okay, so you have a pending order on Binance, sorry, on TradingView like this. Let's say I have an order like this on Binance, on my TradingView rather, and I want to place TP1 here, TP2 here. Let's say this blue line is my TP1, while my final target is TP2. I want to set multiple targets. First thing first, I'll calculate the position size. That's what I'm going to fill into this point, into this place. Okay, that's what I'll calculate first. If you want to see how I calculate mine, you will see the video card somewhere around the screen. Just tap on it and watch how I do it. Okay, but for this video I'll just assume 0.002, or let me just say 0.2 and see if that will go. 0.2, that's what I want to use. Okay, for my entire position. So I will not have it two times. I'll have it in two places. Since I want to use 0.02 to enter the trade. I'll have it in two places. I'll have first one 0.01. So on that 0.0, I'll tap on this button here, so it will bring me here. I'll put my stop loss. I'll put my first TP, which is 23,179. It's already there, 0.5. Okay, so I'll just tap on confirm. I'll tap on confirm, put 0.01. I'll tap on long. Okay, so you have the first order here, all right, for 0.01, and look at the take profit there as we set it. All right, so we'll go again for the second position size 0.01. Okay, so I'll tap on advance, the same stop loss, same stop loss 22,868.54. Okay, I'll put it here, 22,868.54. Okay, so I'll have my take profit. I'll have my take profit at the final target now, which is this 23,498.9. So I have 23,498.9. So that's it. Have my TP1 and TP2 sets now. I'll put 0.01 and long. So I have two orders here now running. Both of them, by the time both of them activate, I'll be having 0.1 open, that's 0.2. So I'll be having just one position here with 0.02 BTC, okay, as my position size. All right, so I will now be having on this open orders, that's pending orders, I'll be having four orders here. I will have stop loss for the first 0.01, 0.010. Then I will have stop loss for the second one also. I will now have two take profit for them. I'll have take profit for this one. I'll have take profit for this one. So if the stop loss you hit, since the stop loss number is the same thing, it will close the entire position for me. But if this first position, if this first TP level hits, which is this one, is going to close 0.01 first, and I will have 0.01 running. When the second one hits, then it will close it will now activate this second one, which is 23,498, and close the second position, and I will now be fully out of my position. I hope this video is helpful. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment. Thank you, and see you on the next one.